Good morning, children. This is your English class. Today I will teach you sound of vowel I. This is your fourth lesson in your English book. Before this, I have told you I says E. I says E. It means when we speak any word in which I is there, we pronounce it E. Example, pin. This is pin. Pin. In this word, we are hearing E where I is written. P-I-N, pin. P-I-N, pin. Same as this is bin. Bin is also a I sound word. Spelling is B-I-N, bin. B-I-N, bin. So, I says E. This is pig. Pig, its spelling is P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Now next is, what is this? Lip. Lip. This is also a I sound word. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. L-I-P, lip. Children, sometimes I has a long sound. Then we pronounce I like same as I. Example, ice. You know ice? It is so cool, isn't it? And we pronounce it with a long sound. Ice. Same as, what is this, children? This is your favorite food, na? Yes, rice. R-I-C-E, rice. Here we pronounce I with a long sound. Same as, what is this? Kite. Yes, here we also pronounce it with a long sound. Kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Now children, to clear this topic, we will read some more words from your English book. Children, this is your English book and we will read lesson 4, sound of vowel I. Okay, we read some more words of vowel I. Here is written short sound. Before this, I have explained you the sound of vowel I is E. So, we read some more words. N-I-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. Children, here we are hearing E, where I is written. Okay. Second is, what is this? Pig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. This is 6. S-I-X, 6. S-I-X, 6. This is ring. R-I-N-G, ring. R-I-N-G, ring. Now, some more words ending with I-G. I-G, the sound of I-G is ig. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. W-I-G, wig. Children, these words are ending with I-G sound, ig sound. Okay. Now I-N, in. These words are ending with I-N, in. So, we will pronounce it like this. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. W-I-N, win. C-H-I-N, chin. Now IP, ip sound words. DIP, dip. HIP, hip. LIP, lip. TIP, tip. Next is ID, id. KID, kid. HID, hid. LID, lid. MID, mid. Now ING, ing. ING is pronounced as ing. KING, king. SING, sing. WING, wing. BRING, bring. So children, these words are ending with ing, ing. Okay. Now ILL. ILL pronounces like ill. FILL, fill. PILL, pill. DRILL, drill. GRILL, grill. So these words ending with ILL, ill. Okay. Children, before this I have told you sometimes I has a long sound, and when it has a long sound we pronounce it same as I, like RICE, rice. RICE, rice. Rice is a food now children. We take it at the afternoon. In the afternoon, lunch time. Okay. What is this? Lime. LIME, lime. LIME, lime. Here we are pronouncing it like a long sound. LIME, lime. KITE, kite. KITE, kite. FIVE, five. FIVE, five. Now some more words we will speak. IKE, Ike, ending with Ike sound. BIKE, bike. LIKE, like. MIKE, mic. STRIKE, strike. Now ICE, ice, ending with ice. DICE, dice. RICE, rice. MICE, mice. THRICE, thrice. Now INE, ein, ending with ein. DINE, dine. FINE, fine. MINE, mine. NINE, nine. Some more words. There is some more words children. IVE, Ive, sound is Ive. DIVE, dive. HIVE, hive. LIVE, live. RIVE, rive. Now IPE, ipe. RIPE, ripe. WIPE, wipe. STRIPE, stripe. SWIPE, swipe. IGHT, sound words. It, it pronounced it. BRIGHT, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. F-R-I-G-H-T, fright. F-R-I-G-H-T, fright. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light. R-I-G-H-T, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. So children, these are I sound words. You have to read this and speak loudly. Thank you.